Afternoon guys, hope you're all well. Super quick video for you this afternoon. It's Thursday for us and Jason and I have been working on this 2007 Swift coach-built motorhome. So it came into us earlier with a very basic single DIN radio, and we have replaced it with a customer supplied basic radio, but one with digital radio, because of the fact that we've got now a new FM and DAB body mounted antenna. Usual fitment for these, we do these all the time. Drill the wing, headlight comes out. Once we've used then a spanner on the inside just to do the nut up, all of the cabling gets brought in behind the glove box, routed through to the radio, and then we loose or tie up all the slack cabling in a circular area in behind the glove box so that you don't lose any signal, because it comes with a 5-meter lead. Once the aerial has been connected to the new radio that's in there, we also fitted the wiring and the cage and fitted a microphone. The old radio that came out was incredibly basic. This is just a few years old, but definitely better than what he had before with FM and DAB on there. So that's it really, nice and quick. This customer's relatively local, wanted FM and DAB but didn't have the provisions for digital radio. The FM antenna was the one that was built into the wing mirror from factory, and again they're passive, they're not active, and now that this customer is going to be able to drive away with DAB radio, listen to all of his favourite stations. So 2007 Swift leaves here with a new FM and DAB radio and a new FM and DAB aerial. Website links in the bio. This aerial is on our website, but it's supply and fit only here. If you have any questions, contact form and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.